The solution that DyeMansion has offered with the PowerFuse is a safe, sustainable solution.
It's a closed system, so it all stays in the machine, fully recycles everything. The solvent is not harmful. It's certified for food and skin contact. It's a very green process.
With the smoothing machine behind us, we can actually seal that surface and create printed parts that are now being allowed in medical industries, right in the operating room, because it's a sealed surface that's washable. And that's step number one, getting into the medical field. It has to be something that can be cleaned. So we have applications in automotive, we have applications in consumer goods, medical devices, and aerospace. The whole 9 yards.
So now, rather than going through the process of cutting tooling, injection molding, and delivering a product, we can go straight from manufacturing to smoothing to delivery.
It'll bring the whole 3D printing industry to a new level.
So the industry as a whole has been needing a solution like this, and we're excited to be the first company to be able to develop, alongside DyeMansion, the process controls to deliver the product.
As more and more customers and industries start to realize the competitive advantage that they can be at by leveraging technology like this, it will be a game changer.